Hey guys, welcome back to Trial and Error. A little bit of a different theme for today. I've actually taken a step back from my Grand National project because frankly, I may have gotten myself in to a little more than I had intended, and I'm starting to feel a little overwhelmed right now, but that's okay. I will see it through. Sometimes you just got to step back for a couple of weeks and get some perspective on it before you go back in. So in an effort to kind of fill in that time, I wanted to show you a couple of really cool items, one of which we're going to do a giveaway on. I don't like doing sponsored stuff. I try to stay away from it unless it's something that I really think you guys would find interesting, or I could do a giveaway. This is one I could do a giveaway on, and this is a really cool thing we're going to get into today. The other thing, no offense, I'm keeping this. You can order your own. There'll be links in the description. If this FLEXIT is what I think it is, or works the way that it looks like it does, yeah, you're not getting this one from me, but you can buy your own. And in fact, I'm going to give you a 10% off discount code to pick up either one of these things as well. So let's get into what we've got here. We're going to start off with our flexible flashlight. So this is the fifth item like this that I have purchased in the last couple years, but I've never seen one like this. This is like the this is so friggin' cool. So you've got a solar panel, so you don't have to worry about charging it. You can just hang it in a place where it's gonna get some light. And these don't take a lot of electricity to get fired up. So I gotta imagine it's not gonna take a lot of this either. But that's one of my favorite features, because whenever you need this, if you forget to charge it the last time you used it or whatever, it really stinks. So this has a solar panel built right in. It's got two super stiff magnets, but then this thing you can just bend like a pretzel in any shape you need. So if you're working up under the car or something, you can just tack it in, or well, obviously this is wood, so it's not going to stick, but you can put it in any shape in any direction that you want. I just thought this was like the coolest idea for a work light to get into those weird places. And as you can see, it is no joke. I've got some like studio lights right now, and you can still see, oh yeah, easily you can see that over my studio lights. So really very cool device. You do have USB outputs here, or USB charging, and then you have a mode button. Bring it to your raves. Actually, I'm going to use this. I'll throw the car up on the lift here because I'm actually really itching to use this. One thing that's nice about having a lift is you can obviously get to everything, but the unfortunate part is all your lights are usually on your ceiling, so getting light reflected back up is kind of an issue. So that's cool. Also makes a great personal fan. Now onto the big boy. So this is the one that I will be giving away. I'm going to open it as carefully as I can, but please forgive me if some things are out of place. When you get it, it's free. It's a free giveaway. You can't go wrong. What this is for people with more of a typical garage situation, and maybe not even necessarily a garage, a workshop. If you got a really big closet, I guess you could use that, because I thought about doing that too, but it would be kind of a waste to put a light this nice in a closet, so I'm not doing that. But what this does is it takes those rooms that may only have a single threaded, normal light bulb connection for light, and allow you to install a set of LED lights that fan out around that room, around that area, without having to mess with anything electrical. And obviously the time that you save with that is huge too. So anyone can install one of these things. I'm going to bench test it here just so you can see and get an idea of what it has, what it does, and what it can do for you. Make sure you comment like below. You don't have to like it and you don't have to share it, but I'd appreciate both of those. But as long as you comment below, you are automatically entered in to win this on the date right here below, which I don't know what it is because I'm filming this right now and I can't think that far ahead of my life, okay? Don't judge me. Let's check this thing out. All right, let's first take a look at the main light fixture. So this is what would screw into your normal light fixture on your ceiling. And what we have on the front here is a variable motion sensor. So you can adjust the sensitivity from, it's going to take a truck to set it off, to a mouse could set it off, and that will automatically control your lighting on and off. You don't have to worry about that coming home at night or whatever into a dark garage. It's going to pick up your car and you as you're pulling in, and then it will automatically shut off after a predetermined amount of time when there's no motion in your garage. So you can just leave the switch on all the time with this and you're never going to be caught in the dark. So that is really cool. On the back though, first of all, this isn't plastic, it's not cheap. This is all aluminum and it's nice casting. But on the back we've got 4 little ports there. And those 4 ports feed juice to these 4 little pucks. So these pucks individually, they've got their own wire on them, so you just lay out however much you want to separate it from this center one, you know, all the way across the room or whatever. You don't have to worry about running wires. You just keep a nice tight tension on this by turning this against its bracket. It's all made to do that. And you can now light up that large area off that one connection, all motion controlled, and you never have to chase a wire through the ceiling. It's just that simple. So let's power it up and see how it looks. All right, so I've got it rigged up just temporarily on a regular power cord. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's really good. I don't know what LED, I'm not sure what chipset they're using. Those are bright. Wow. All right, let's plug in. I can't even see. I can't see a thing right now. Give it a second. There we go. Wow, I am friggin' blind. Whew. What do we got here? 7,500 true lumens. I don't doubt that for a second. So unlike some of the other LEDs you've probably seen, I know I've tried them, but things like this, which they also have available, the one disadvantage to these is it's a single point light source, so your shadows are just everywhere with something like this. It can be really bright in the room, and that's great, but if it's coming from one point source, the shadows make it really tough to work with. That's where I really like this setup, because you've got 5 points of light in whatever room you're putting it in. And you don't have to run all of them, but it comes with the 5. So that's a really, really cool setup and a very quick setup. I mean, from unboxing to installing this, you're probably talking 5 minutes, and you can make a massive difference in any room that you put it in. So to recap, we got our magnetic light, quick and easy and very inexpensive for what it is. With solar, you've got the 5-point source garage lights, super easy install, crazy bright with a motion detector, and cable management for all the extra wire that they come with. These guys make some cool stuff. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Any comments, questions, concerns, or criticisms, make sure you throw them down in the comment section below me. Make sure you comment to enter to win this on the drawing. And otherwise, everybody have a great day.